Join me as I take on the challenge of getting flat abs in just 10 days using this 30-minute standing workout. Hi, I'm Dr. Liana, your virtual weight loss doctor. I help women lose stubborn belly fat by fixing what diet and exercise alone can't: your hormones, your gut, and your stress response. If you're tired of doing everything right and still not seeing results, you're in the right place. Welcome to today's video, where I'll be guiding you through a powerful standing workout designed to help you achieve flat abs in just 10 days. This workout is perfect for anyone looking to tone their core without putting excessive strain on their back or joints. Incorporating a variety of exercises, this routine will engage your abdominal muscles safely, ensuring effective results while prioritizing your well-being. Each movement is designed for accessibility. By following this workout, you'll build a strong core that not only enhances your stability, but also supports your overall fitness journey, allowing you to enjoy a healthier, more active lifestyle. Prioritize your body and start your transformation today. This unique workout provides an alternative approach, allowing everyone to strengthen their core without the typical discomfort of traditional methods, making it accessible to all fitness levels. Incorporating modifications ensures effectiveness and safety. The workout includes a variety of standing and seated exercises. With this innovative program, participants can enjoy a pain-free way to improve their core stability and overall strength, ultimately transforming their fitness journey into a positive experience, one that encourages consistency and growth. Traditional abs exercises can be tough on your back, and sometimes it's just hard to get into position. Instead, consider exploring alternative movements that engage your core without straining your spine or forcing uncomfortable positions. One such movement is the plank. The plank is simple. By incorporating variations like side planks or plank jacks, you can not only enhance your core strength, but also keep your workouts dynamic and engaging. Remember, it's essential to listen to your body and prioritize proper form for maximum benefit. This standing workout changes the game by allowing you to engage your core effectively while standing up. This innovative approach not only enhances core strength, but also improves balance and stability in everyday movements. With consistent practice, you'll notice significant improvements. Ultimately, this standing workout revolutionizes how we think about fitness, making it accessible and efficient, ensuring that everyone can achieve their core strength goals while integrating it into their daily routines. The benefits of standing workouts are numerous. They not only engage your core, but also improve your balance and posture. Standing workouts can energize your routine, promoting calorie burn while easing the strain on your joints, setting the stage for a healthier lifestyle overall. They also help cultivate strength. Incorporating standing workouts into your daily regimen can enhance both physical fitness and mental focus, creating a holistic approach to well-being that emphasizes overall health and body awareness. Embrace this shift and experience the positive changes in your life. By doing standing exercises, you're able to work multiple muscle groups at once, which can lead to more efficient workouts. Incorporating these movements into your routine not only saves time, but also maximizes the effectiveness of each workout session. Feel the burn as you engage your whole body. In conclusion, embracing standing exercises not only revolutionizes how you approach fitness, but also transforms your overall strength and endurance, making your workouts more productive and fulfilling. Your core muscles are engaged throughout the entire exercise, which helps improve overall stability. As you perform the movements, focus on your breathing, allowing each inhale and exhale to guide your rhythm, your core muscles. Incorporating this technique not only enhances your strength, but also promotes better posture and alignment. As you gain control over your core, you will notice improvements in your performance across various activities, ensuring you stay strong and stable in every step of your journey. Plus, standing workouts can be modified to suit different fitness levels, making them accessible to everyone. Standing workouts offer a versatile solution, adapting exercises for beginners while providing challenges for more advanced participants. Everyone can benefit from them. In conclusion, standing workouts not only promote inclusivity, but they also empower individuals to take charge of their fitness journey, regardless of their starting point. They prove that movement can be enjoyable and achievable for everyone, making health a universal goal. I'll explain the benefits of standing workouts, how they engage your core effectively, and walk you through each exercise step by step. Let's start with the first exercise, which targets your obliques. Standing tall, with your feet shoulder-width apart, then take a large step to one side. Take a deep breath, As you exhale, raise your right arm overhead while leaning to the left, feeling the stretch in your oblique muscles. Now return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Incorporating standing workouts into your routine not only strengthens your core, but also enhances overall stability and coordination. By consistently practicing these exercises, you'll notice improved functional movement in daily activities and a boost in your confidence and energy levels. Remember, every step counts towards your fitness journey. Get ready for the most challenging part of the workout, where we'll push our limits and feel the burn in our abs like never before. This next exercise is a standing Russian twist. It's a bit more intense, but trust me, it's worth it. Hold a weight or medicine ball and twist your torso from side to side, keeping your arms straight and core muscles tight. You'll start to feel that burn in your abs. To wrap up, remember that consistency is key. Sticking to this routine for 10 days can lead to amazing results. You'll start to notice a difference in your core strength and maybe even see some changes in your abdominal area. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to check out my other videos for more fitness tips and exercises, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, if no one's ever told you this before, you're not failing. Your body's just asking for the right kind of support. If you want abs sharp enough to grate cheese, start today. Drop A or in the comments so we know you're in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Real weight loss starts here.